my YouTuber, c'est Soso Kitchen. Moi, je dis tout merci pour commenter nous, pour subscribe nous, partager, and then thumb up. Pas oublier, mille merci à tout le monde qui subscribe sur Soso Kitchen. Je dis à moi, je vais faire mac and cheese. Et pas macaroni au gratin, non? Mac and cheese. Je fait la semaine passée, tout le monde a demandé comment on fait. Je vais l'expliquer comment on fait. Premièrement, nous avons besoin d'elbow, macaroni. Nous avons essayé cheese, c'est mon poil gras cheddar cheese. Je prends blanc, je prends jaune, mais je ne vais pas mettre tout, je vais mettre moitié. Je vais mettre. Voilà, d'ailleurs. Nous avons besoin d'une cuillère de farine, un bâton de beurre. Si nous voulons mettre l'aide évaporée, nous sommes capables de mettre l'aide évaporée. Si nous voulons mettre l'aide ça, nous sommes capables de mettre l'aide ça. N'importe ça nous voulons. Couillère là, ça même m'acheter pour me bailler macaroni en couleur. Parce que les macaronis sont dans la factory, et c'est couleur au bali. Il ne va pas venir à toute couleur. Ok? Pour commencer, et mettre de l'eau. Je vais bouillir. So, ça me fait moi-même, je ne vais pas mettre sel. Mais je ne toujours goûter manger pour nous. Mettez moitié qui est sel. Si pas enough, je vais mettre. So, pas mettre l'huile dans la macaroni. Parce que l'homme met l'huile dans la macaroni, il n'y a pas de sauce. Sauce la couille, glisser les sangs. Mettez le sang d'huile. So, pendant ce temps, après ça m'a dit. Ouvre le macaroni, on met le. Pour 9 minutes. Parce que moi, je mets les macaronis bien cuites. Ok? So, quand il est là, je vais gratter cheese là pour vous montrer.
Hi guys, welcome back to Soso's Kitchen. Today we are making macaroni and cheese. This is not like the Haitian macaroni and cheese that you guys think it is, like the macaroni and cheese that Haitians are known for making. But if you want to see that video, let us know. We can definitely make that video. So first, she started off by boiling elbow pasta. You can use any type of pasta you want. She just prefers elbow pasta. And she stated that she doesn't put oil on it because when she does put oil on it, she feels like this cheese does not stick to it. And then she has sharp cheddar cheese, so she takes half of it. So the block is 32 ounces, so she takes 16 ounces from each, and then she grades them, as you see me doing right now.
Make sure you mettez du feu à chauffer d'eau, 2 ou bien 3.
So this is a mixture she makes for her cheese. So first she puts butter, and then she's going to add a little bit of flour. Sorry guys, I was grating the cheese. The overhead view is coming soon.
Mettez farine graduellement. Farine bien cuite.
And you just want to keep whisking until the flour like dissolves into the butter. And then she goes ahead and adds about 2 cups of milk.
Cheese, coupez-les.
So here she's adding the Velveeta cheese. She used about 3/4 of the block, and then she just cut it up into little like blocks just so it's easier to melt. And then as you see, she just keeps whisking until it all like melts gradually.
Poivre avec un petit sel, s'il besoin de sel. Pour faire cheese à du sel. Avec l'ail. That's it.
So now she's gonna add some pepper, black pepper. She's gonna taste to see if it needs salt because since she's making mac and cheese, you know, cheese already has salt, so she don't want to add too much salt. And then she's gonna add some garlic, and then she just preheats the oven to 350.
Si vous voulez poivre, vous mettez poivre. Si vous ne voulez pas, vous pas mettre poivre. Ok?
So now she is pressing 3 garlic cloves into the mixture. Don't worry, once the recipe is over or once you finish this, you can't even taste the garlic at all, so don't think it's gonna change the flavor of the mac and cheese because it doesn't.
Il n'y a pas de sel, il n'y a pas de rien là-dedans, sauf couleur. Mettez-les pour capable de couleur, pas en pile.
And now she's gonna add a little bit of food coloring. She doesn't really add a lot. It's really up to you. She likes the way it makes the mac and cheese look, but this is really optional. Then she starts to add the white sharp cheddar cheese, and then she does save some to add to the top, but once again she's gradually adding this until it melts in the mixture. And then she gradually adds the yellow sharp cheddar, and then once again she does save some to add to the top of the mac and cheese, so she's not using all of it. And then she's gradually doing this. I want to say she uses about like half of each cheese, so 8 ounces of each, and then she saves some to add to the top. So that's how she makes her mac and cheese like sauce. And then once she drains the pasta, she just pours it into the pot that the pasta's in, and she just mixes it well before putting it in a dish to go into the oven.
That's beautiful. Something?
And then she takes the remaining sharp cheddar cheese and just puts some on top. And then she puts it in the oven for about 35 minutes.
Dix 15 minutes, ma tirer papier aluminium. Parce que mettez pour ça en couleur.
She covers it in aluminum foil for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then she takes it off to make sure it gets that nice, like, golden color.
So, macaroni, hein? Et je quitte dans le pour 25 minutes. And then tout la mettre some many 350. Et puis je vais quitter pour 5 minutes encore.
To cool down.
Yeah. Many, okay? That's nice. Il est bon. Il a une belle couleur. Il est tout bagage. Je vais vous montrer. Juicy. Il est bon. Il y a cheese. Je vais mettre un peu de cheese. Il y a une belle couleur. Many guys. That's nice and beautiful. Tastes very, very good. Mac and cheese. Love you. Soso Kitchen. Thank you. Me mac and cheese Soso. Wow. That's very good.